yeah, can Galamsey. We are fighting about Galamsey. Yeah, shall say Galamsey and some ebe to for manasi ye be twam krase ne ebe ya ye nuanum bi wo mo won krase no wo mo ensuo no ebe sensi ye dadam nti asojafo ne Ghana biases wa betra so wo ye na famu bia se Galamsey no ebe kom na wonni bibi sa enkro bi ewo eye western region wo mo wo eye Côte d'Ivoire ehye no so asa nkro no de ye se ye frɛ no abrewa eninkran na sa krono tumi hwe se enye Ghana fo pa na achichiri krono na ekura hodro keka kan wa achichiri ewo Ghana border ne so a is almost 10,000 villages a eye nkrofoforo ababe chichiri a wo mu de adwuma mu dia ne se Galamsey nko a eno mu tuo eye krono bi nso eye ahyawe chese eniema ekoso child traffic na ekoso krono enne asojafo agihwi adi eye plan fa wiemu e discover sa villages nyina wo mu ye Galamsey di se yensu sana ye nim kura se wo mu kan no enne eja dakruma ese Sodom and Gomorrah na sojafo akohyi eye krono nyina asen because wo mu nhyedan ye Ghana for ankasa me yenkonko hwemra.
So we are here in the Abrewa Crime, crossing of the Supri River Forest Reserve. And this community is a forest film community. It's just apart the Supri Forest Reserve in a community called Abrewa Crime. And this place, I mean, it's an ISO. The place is full of illegal miners with all manner of activities within this community. We've seen incidents of child trafficking, child prostitution, drug abuse, money laundering, counterfeit, you name them. And we are getting nationals from all over the sub-region. It appears this community is a representation of ECOWAS. We have people from other neighboring West African countries, from the Sahelian regions, from Guinea, from Niger, from Burkina Faso, from Nigeria, from Mali, and all of them are here. And this is a rural community. Why are they here? You can tell that there is no place within the community that they are mining. They are mining in the Supri Forest Reserve. And the effect or the impact of the illegal mining on the forest is very devastating. So as you can see, we raided this community. We managed to get rid of the entire illegal hub that was probably constructed by these illegal miners as a hub. And in fact, what we see here is an ISO. We managed to rescue some few foreign young Nigerians. One of them confided in us that Madame brought her the kind of work that she's expected to do, she's not going to do. And clearly such a minor is being trafficked and involved in prostitution right here in this village. That is the impact of illegal mining, what they are bringing into the community. We've seen this tramadol, this red some people that we are even in the wee hours of the morning, and clearly it's a nice everything. We've seen makeshift bottles, we entered the resort, so the activity that they are engaging in, very sad.
Mr. Kwakofa, River Guards. Honorable, don't worry yourself. Don't. Ama Kofi Bua. Don't worry yourself with water guard no. Omuko yi omonam omunko yi nam. Na Galamsey no omuko stop it there. Forget. You have lost it. Because now Bengagu militant any Macau Mali for no mabano. And we know nipa na oma me tip off non-Ghanaian. Yako recruit ni perfume omukrom di omaba, and he is in Ghana. And or catch him say omu particularly bono border neso eko Côte d'Ivoire. Omu western region because omu pe baby a ebape soldier for no say o kasa o frɛ backup. Say your region for no na eba dia omu nsuro because ye wi omu ho ni nyina. Na mo medu baby ne kasa national army bi na eba. Umedu ho no no mo de pick up no awura forest num atiasi main road omo drivers ya train omo da hotel e twen say ye from omo kuta gota alert ye nrane Ghanaian forests have been lost to Ivorian militants, Cote d'Ivoire militants. None of which be on Northern Ghana. 22 of them are Burkina base. And he said, Montesa Lands and Natural Resources Minister, ye titin some more can. Nature say, ye mean fight Galamsey, no, ye lose fight, no, because they say there be a do no. Ye who say, and ye ne honamni moja na ye recruit militant no etu na ekuta omo no eye sophisticated that time Ghana soldier for ni tu na ekuta omo no nti wo de water guard so se hwan na ekwa na water guard of na ye recruit omo no ye recruit omo ye mo bosoloku omo sa na muni madwuma adam animu a kama mu si forest ho Ivorian mercenaries have invaded Ghanaian forests. Guns rifle a dom kon ho no anopai me se uko hu bi na me country wa na mpanyifo no story omo kan mo say Ghana should not allow this to happen.
Ghana osha ehai for papa Ghana efo bia to me sorry fini krom na che say o ma be chichi kura e kro na do so pa. Wow, akoye say enyo mukro no so ekro no enye blog na yedi CEO endue nkwa na yedi achichichi kono asoja for the jatum wate yera maseni adwuma pa Ghana asoja for moye ede abo eyeye man ho ba kwe ntwa na me chance na wie ebe soma ho kaso makra.